When it comes to making money online, you have two very clear choices. You can either do what everyone else is doing, or you can do things differently. We chose to do things differently. Right now, you could probably do with some extra money each month, and if I'm right, then the solution that's inside this video will help you. You can start using it within the next 60 minutes and potentially see results within one day, even if you're a complete beginner. How is this possible? Because we've created and personally use a genuinely simple way to piggyback off other people's work to make money, which we call Elite Academy Piggyback. It's really easy to do, even for complete beginners. It requires no skill, no learning, and no time. Plus, there's no waiting for results. We made money the very first day that we used it, and there are no costs. Anyone can do this for nothing. It costs nothing to use, and you won't have to pay for it either. For the first time ever, we're giving away our complete Elite Academy Piggyback system without charging for it on a first come, first served basis. Elite Academy Piggyback is what we call a free instruction system, because all we have to do is give away other specific free instructions. This is how Elite Academy Piggyback works. Step 1, you pick an offer to target. Step 2, you create your free instructions. And step 3, you give away your offer-based free instructions. As soon as you start giving away your free instructions, we show you how and where to give them away, and people will literally queue up for access to them. You'll instantly understand why when you see what we're doing. The only skills that you will need are the ability to read and write English and the ability to copy, paste and type a few words. Now, do you think you could do that? So how does the Elite Academy Piggyback make money? Well, the Elite Academy Piggyback users get instant results when someone accesses the free instructions and clicks the code inside. And because of the angle we use, many do. The process is seamless, it requires zero selling and works remarkably well due to the fact that the free instructions are offer specific, enabling the Elite Academy Piggyback user to piggyback off other people's work. And Elite Academy Piggyback doesn't cost a cent. So would you like access without paying for it? If the answer to that is yes, then click the link below for instant access instructions. Thanks for listening and watching.